there's nothing at a certain point, right? If you don't have the right amount of on-die capacitance, there's nothing you can do. And this is a known thing, right? And this is where everything kind of lags the ASIC, right? And when it comes to packaging design, this is where you really need to make sure the ASIC and the ASIC designers usually are really good about doing this, are putting the right amount of C-die on there, right? The right amount of MCAP. Occasionally that gets missed and the package might be able to pick up some of the slack, but it's limited. It's very fine. Most of the time, it can lead to another tape out on the ASIC to fix that.
Well, that brings up another question here, right? Because when you see in the documentation that they give you that C die is really low, I think the next thing that you think of is, well, okay, if they're saying the model is correct, did they really just put that low of capacitance on there? And why, if they did, and I need to have, like you said, 4 or 5 times as much, should I even be using this vendor?
Well, those are two very different loaded questions. But let's address the last one. Should you really only be using this vendor? There's only a few vendors out there, so you're going to rule out all your vendors very quickly if you go that approach.